Who are you talking to?
Nobody. Just a group chat. Work stuff.
The screen showed one message. It was from...
Who is Emma? Who
She
is
put
that?
Just a friend. Nothing important.
He doesn't love me anymore. Maybe he found someone better. Maybe I'm just not enough.
It was a quiet Tuesday evening. Moti was sitting on the sofa, waiting. She had a cup of tea in her hands, but the tea was getting cold, just like the feeling inside her chest. Manjoo was late again. This was the third time this week. It was now 8:30. Moti put down her cold tea. She walked to the window and looked outside. The street was quiet. The sky was dark, and her heart was asking a question she didn't want to ask.
Where is he? He said he would be home by 7.
30 minutes later, the door opened. Manjoo walked in, smiling. But the smile looked different. A little too quick. A little too bright.
You're late again.
Sorry. Work was busy. You know how it is.
Moti nodded slowly. But then she noticed something. Manjoo was holding his phone tightly. And when she walked closer, he turned the screen away.
Who are you talking to?
Nobody. Just a group chat. Work stuff.
She didn't say anything. But inside her mind, a small, quiet fear was born. The next morning, Moti woke up early. Manjoo was still sleeping. His phone was on the table. It buzzed once. Moti looked. She didn't want to look, but she looked. The screen showed one message. It was from someone named Emma. The message said, "Did you get the thing I sent? She's going to love it."
Emma? Who is Emma?
She put the phone down carefully. She walked to the kitchen. She tried to breathe normally, but her mind was running fast.
She's going to love it. Who is she? Is it me or someone else?
That afternoon, Moti sent Manjoo a simple message.
Hey, are you free tonight? I miss you.
She waited. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes. 30 minutes later, a reply finally came.
Sorry, caught up with something. Talk later.
Moti stared at that message for a long time. One heart emoji, but somehow it felt empty.
Okay.
Just one word, but behind that one word was 100 feelings. Fear, sadness, confusion, and a question she was too scared to ask out loud. 2 days passed. Moti and Manjoo were at a small cafe near their home. It was supposed to be a nice evening together, but Manjoo kept looking at his phone under the table.
How was your day?
Good. Normal day.
Who is that?
Just a friend. Nothing important.
Moti looked out the window. She tried to hold back what she was feeling. But then, the door of the cafe opened. A young woman walked in. She had short hair and a bright smile. She looked around the room and then she saw Manjoo.
Manjoo! Hi!
Manjoo stood up quickly. He walked to Emma near the door, and then he laughed. A real, warm, happy laugh. The kind of laugh Moti hadn't heard from him in weeks.
Who is she?
Moti watched. Manjoo and Emma were talking quietly near the door. She couldn't hear the words, but she could see their faces. They looked excited, happy, like they shared a secret. Then Manjoo looked back at Moti. He smiled at her, a soft, gentle smile. But Moti didn't smile back. Her face was cold. Her eyes were full of questions.
Sorry about that. She's just...
Who is she, Manjoo?
She's a friend. I'll explain later, okay?
Later. You always say later.
A long silence sat between them, like a wall they couldn't see but both could feel. That night, Moti lay in bed. Manjoo was in the other room. She could hear him typing on his phone, fast, then slow, then fast again.
Maybe he doesn't love me anymore. Maybe he found someone better. Maybe I'm just not enough.
She closed her eyes, but she didn't sleep. And in the other room, Manjoo was still awake, still on his phone, still smiling at something she couldn't see. The next morning, Moti had made a decision. She was sitting at the kitchen table when Manjoo came in. She looked calm on the outside, but inside, her heart was breaking.
Manjoo, we need to talk.
Okay, what's wrong?
I don't want to fight. I don't want to be dramatic, but I have been feeling very alone lately. You hide your phone. You reply late. You meet girls I don't know. And you don't explain. If you don't love me anymore, just tell me. I can take the pain. What I cannot take is not knowing.
Moti, I'm so sorry. I just need one more day. Please.
One more day. That was all he gave her. That evening, Moti picked up her phone. She typed a message. She stopped. She deleted it. She typed again.
I think we need to talk properly tonight. This can't wait anymore.
She sent it. He replied in 3 seconds.
Yes, tonight, I promise. Please come to the park near our home at 7.
Moti walked to the park alone. The evening air was cool. The streetlights made soft yellow circles on the ground. She found the path they used to walk together. She followed it slowly, and then she stopped. The old tree at the center of the park, the tree where they had their first date, was covered in small, warm lights. Hundreds of them, like tiny stars wrapped around every branch. Below the tree, there was a small table, flowers, candles, and a card. And standing next to the table, looking nervous and hopeful, was Manjoo. Next to him was Emma.
Hi. You must be Moti. He talks about you all the time. I'm Emma. I'm a florist. He hired me to help him plan this.
I wanted it to be perfect for you. That's why I hid my phone. That's why I was late. That's why I couldn't explain. Because every time I almost told you, I was so close to ruining the surprise. I know these weeks were hard. I know you were confused, maybe scared, and I'm so sorry for that. But I was hiding a secret, Moti. Not because I love you less, but because I love you so much. I wanted to give you a moment you would never forget.
I thought you didn't love me anymore.
I never stopped, not for one single second, because you are my favorite star, and I never want you to forget that.
I almost gave up on us.
But you didn't.
Sometimes, love looks like silence, like hidden phones and late replies, like things that hurt before they make sense. Sometimes, the most beautiful moments in life look like misunderstandings, right before they become the best memory you've ever had.
It was worth it.
And it was. It really, truly was.